Has anyone seen the Toys R Us commercial yet? I know Joanna mentioned it on Monday. It's online. It's pure AI. The humans are AI. Everything's AI in it, which means it wasn't shot with cameras. There was no crew. There was no craft service. There was no camera assistants. There was no boom operators. You know, our town and our industry is built on community and families getting together, temporary families getting together. All of you in the arts here, in theater, or whether it's symphony or you know, anything. It's a community, it's a theater. You get together, humans get together to make these things. And this is what's part of the fear, is that, you know, crew members, actors, writers, you know, went on strike also, making the year oh so fun. but they needed to, because the AI thing wasn't even on the radar for them either when they started thinking about negotiations. And some of the things that they were worried about that I've researched is, so generative AI, as we know, trains on things. So imagining dumping all of the Hollywood movies, TV shows, all the genres of it into AI, and that they start basing scripts on kind of like the archetypal, you know, framework of different stories. Sitcoms have their own way of telling a story. Dramas do, films, comedies, all of this. And you know, things are hacky and schlocky enough in Hollywood. You know, if you're sick of Marvel movies, guess what, people? More of this kind of stuff is coming.
Hashtag hacky and schlocky.
Because, you know, those small independent films where we're talking about raw human things that take quiet and time and a small cast, or you know, a deep conversation, or one that's one we've never thought of before, leaps of imagination that filmmakers, great directors and auteurs create for us. You know, all the, you know, imagine all the filmmakers that you love, or minds and activists like Norman Lear, who spent 50, 60 years of his life making television that changed the conversation of America. Machines aren't going to be able to do that. They're just inhaling what they know and spitting it out, as we know, because you guys have been very educated this
Kelly,
week.
I actually forgot that I was going to say this, is that I didn't really know what I was going to say to you all today, so I looked in ChatGPT.
Awesome.
I think the thing about the Soros AI-generated complete start-to-finish thing, too, is that, like, I dare you to look at it and be moved by it. You know, like, I really think that that is the main thrust of what we're talking about, is that we are looking for stories of, I want to see myself on the screen. I mean, I'm not asking for a job, but I am.
Well, she is,
I kind of am.
So
I kind of am. But I mean, myself reflected on the screen. So everything that I write, I'm like, she's a woman of a certain age, you know. But I think that I feel that way about all of you, too. When you watch something, when you want to be moved by it, moved to tears, moved to laughter. You want to feel something. And this isn't able to do that yet.